Hello, this is Elise from Bossupmixmedia Embroidery Art. Today we are going back in time in the 1900s, which a beautiful couple designed using mixed fabrics as embroidery, felting, and more. We will bring this vintage love story to life. First, let me tell you where you can get the fabric from. It's called Seek Design. It's on Etsy. I will have all the information down below. The details and dedication stitching we will do with the embroidery enhance the romance for this couple. As we work on piecing, we can't help but imagine the love and dedication that went into this creativity. This is fabric design of the past. I hope this project inspires you to explore new techniques on placing fabric artwork. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative projects like this. Here we go. I'm going to show you the tools that you need so when the next time I come on, we can all do this together. Okay, let's begin. Before I start this project, I'm going to adventure on this every Thursday. That's my key point. Every Thursday I will do the 19th century love couple. And with that said, I'm going to show you them again. Okay, this is the couple with all the embellishments on it, meaning the embroidery, which is the French knots, but we're going to go more details with the embroidery. I have put felt, which is the felt flowers. Okay, I put more trimming, which is the trimming of the fabric. Okay, and the embroidery of the bow tie, the cummerbund is the fabric. I put more detail with the embroidery with his I'm gonna say vest. Okay, because back then they wear a lot of vests. So with that said, now that you see it again, now I'm gonna show you all the tools you need so you can do this with me together. Okay. We're going to be working on a clean slate. I have a small copy of that same fabulous 1900 fabric. Okay, all we're doing is we're going to embellish this fabric to a work of art, which basically is already a work of art, but we're going to pop it out like a 3D. Okay, now that we know how the picture look, how the fabric look with the beautiful 1900 couple, we need to have tools to do the 3D pop of the fabric. So I have the felt, which is the wool here. Okay, the colors that we're using with the 1900 couple. Then I have this pad here we definitely need, so when we do the felting, we can just stick it right under the hoop, the embroidery hoop, so it will help us to engage with the fabric with the felting. Okay, we definitely need a good pair of scissors. Okay, you need, as I say, we need we need some kind of beads. Okay, we need fabric that goes on top of fabric. Let me show you. We need this as well. Now, depending on what you want to put on her dress, I have made a couple of things that I thought was awesome. So we can put sequins on her dress. So if you can find some kind of strap or some kind of sequins we can put on her dress, which is the front around her neck, if you have that. Okay, you can use this velvet for his cummerbund or even his tie, but I'm not going to use this for his tie. I'm going to use embroidery thread. Okay, long as we have our needles, which is our embroidery needles, all the size we need, okay, for different size of the threads. If not, just get your best needle. Let me bring that to you so you can see it. Okay, get your best needle that you always use and try to incorporate it to your stitching, because we're going to do some stitching like the French knot, we're going to do the satin stitch and more. Okay, have all of your embroidery threads. The best one I can tell you is DNC. They're the best embroidery thread, but if you don't have it, get what you have to embellish your colors in your fabric. It's so much fun to alter the fabrics. And it's so nice to have it once you get done. This is like a portrait. You can just frame it afterwards. So we will, at the end, I will go on how to frame this after we take it off the hoop. Or you can just leave it on the hoop and we can just paint the edges on the, change the edge of the hoop. So we definitely get into that. But I'm talking too far along. So with that said, get all your tools that you need. Next Thursday, I will be doing step 1 of our project, the 1900 couple. Okay? And all the details of my products I have, my tools I have here will be in the look below on the description part. And not only that, if you want to do the same couple, you can go to Seek Design. Okay? All of that information is there as well. So, thank you for joining me on this adventure. We are doing another adventure. We are doing another adventure. So I hope everybody have an awesome weekend. And here we go, the couple again. So next Thursday, we will venture more into this 1900th century couple. Have a good one. Bye.